Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Something. I hope you are fine. Today I am going to show you how to crack Filmora 9. Nowadays everyone try to make video and also wanna edit that. More than software are paid version and Filmora 9 also paid version. But Filmora 9 is the easiest software to make any kind of video and it is now trending software for video edit. So let's see how to crack Filmora 9 till the video end and don't miss any step. So let's go.
Yes sir, please start it. I will learn that.
First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome browser and write Filmora 9 download and see the result and see the first link and click it. It is the official website of Filmora. Now you can see the two options. One is free download and another is buy now. You have to click free download. Just click on it and the download starting automatically. It is a 1 MB exe file. Just open that file and click to install that and wait few minutes for downloading the including features. That time you have to require internet connection. I have already installed that software, so now just open the software. I will show you. You can see my software. Just double click to open that software. Click OK. It will take few seconds for opening. And you can see the editing section of that editor. Now you can export some images or videos. I wanna choose that images and open that and click to add. Just click the export button if you wanna export your project and see the different plan for purchasing the software. You can see the different plan. You have to close that particular things and go to the help button and click that and see the active Filmora 9 and click here if you have license code. Please click here to activate. So click here and see this license email and activation code. So you have to go to the Google Chrome browser and search Filmora 9 activation key. That link, click on it and see the different type of email ID and registration code is available here. I will give you this link in the description. This email ID copy and paste here and the registration code copy and paste here. Now you have to close internet connection before clicking to activate. Disconnect your internet connection and click to active. Now you can see your Filmora 9 paid version is totally free for you. Now you can click to export for free and you can see and write your project name. I wanna write that can choose your path location and see the video format MP4, WMV, etc. This is a device format, Apple, iPad, Android, and you can upload your project direct on YouTube. Now you can click to export and save your project. You can see it will take some minutes. It is depend on your project work. If you click the find target, you can go directly to file location where the project is saved. Now you can see the project.
Hello. I hope you can learn how to crack Filmora 9 software. If you learned something from my videos, please tell me in comment section. And share with your friends this video. Please like, comments, share and subscribe my channel. If you new viewer, please go to subscribe and never miss any update. Thank you for watching.